As we start a brand new week of trading, here is the good news. FIIs were net buyers in Friday's trade, and interestingly, it was their sixth buy figure of 2025. The street is hoping that the FII's selling may halt in the backdrop of Fed Chairman Jerome Powell's statements, which were relatively dovish. In the week gone by, FII net bought shares worth 5,819 crores rupees. Amidst this renewed optimism, the rush of buy-the-day buying at Dalal Street has transformed into momentum buying, which actually has moved further towards buying stampede. The big question: unstoppable bulls? Will the running of bulls continue? Or profit booking is likely? Our call of the day suggests Nifty and its stocks will look for reasons to go up despite the biggest headwind: President Donald Trump's tariff, immigration and budget-cutting policies, which are likely to harm growth prospects at economies around the world. So, markets will now focus on 2nd April tariff deadline. Technically speaking, Nifty is now comfortably above its 21 DMA and 50 DMA with the recent sequence of higher high-low on the daily time frame. Now, all bullish eyes will be on Nifty's 200 DMA at 24,069 mark. Well, Nifty's 200 DMA at 24,069 mark could be a possibility only if US President Donald Trump backs off the tariffs. Bottom line, investors are waiting to hear something positive on the trade policies front to trigger a fresh round of buying. As things stand, it's difficult to say precisely what could come next from Trump's trade policy. Long story short, bullish consolidation is quite likely for benchmark Nifty, as stock-specific action on the buy side will command investors' attention. Global cues are positive. In Friday's session, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 7470 crores, while DIIs net sold shares to the tune of Rs 3202 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are suggesting desired consolidation, especially after last 5 days of solid gains. FANO March month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 21,500 to 24,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 12.57 levels. At last check, USD INR 26th March expiry has slipped near 86.02. Nifty PCR 27th March is at 1.09 levels. Bank Nifty PCR 27th March is at 1.33. Nifty outlook: bullish consolidation is quite likely. Nifty CMP 23350. Biggest make or break intraday support on Nifty is placed only at 23,133 mark. Immediate interweek resistance is placed only at 23,807 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,200 and 23,550. Bias for the day is bullish. Bank Nifty CMP 50594. Bank Nifty's biggest interweek support at 50,200 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday resistance is now at 51,100 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 50,300 and 51100. Bias for the day is bullish. Nifty may have got a rough start in 2025, but last week's buying frenzy must be forcing bears to step back. Well, Nifty's rally is powered by 1. Cooling India's retail inflation is likely to encourage the RBI's MPC to slash 25 BPS repo rate cut in the April review meeting to boost GDP growth. 2. The Fed signal to rate cuts in 2025. 3. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell's recent statements were relatively dovish, and most importantly, the FOMC policy statement has made it clear that the big economic picture in the US has not grown cloudy given new tariff policies from President Donald Trump. Amongst stock-specific action: 1. Hindustan Construction Company (HCC) is in limelight after it secured 2,470 crore rupees order via a joint venture with Tata Projects. This marks HCC's second contract win in the week gone by, following a 2,191 crore rupees deal for developing an 8.65 kilometers corridor for the Madhya Pradesh Metro Rail Corporation, which includes underground tunnels and station construction. 2. BEL shares jumped 2.6% in Friday's trade on winning Rs 7,500 crore order from Gujarat State Electricity Corporation.